friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So friends, I am back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make your own thumbnail for your YouTube channel, or you can make banner or any kind of poster as well. So this is going to be very simplest and easy method. Okay, I have created this video because I was going through many videos on YouTube, but I don't get any appropriate video on YouTube. So that's why I thought to create a video which can help you guys to create your own thumbnail, and trust me guys, this video is going to be very effective. So thank you very much guys. So now we jump into the video.
This one video is enough for you to make your own thumbnail, and the tools which I am showing you can use, which you can use further, and you can use your creativity as well. You don't need to just copy all the things. You can use your own creativity as well. So thank you for watching my video, friends. If you like my video, so do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notification of my videos. So let's jump into the video guys. So first, there are some steps which you have to follow. So let me show you that. So first you have to choose first you have to open Photoshop, and then choose a blank page. So yeah, so let's go to a Photoshop. Here is a Photoshop. So we have to just click away here, click new, and you have to go to just film and video. So you have to just go to 1280 into 720p. So this would be the most appropriate for making a thumbnail. So I would choose this and just click on create. So by using this move tool, first I will move this ruler. So this is not required for me, a ruler. You can use your move tool and click. So first I want to color this page. For that I want to use gradient tool. So this is great for using a different blend of colors. You can use color tool as well, but now for this video it would be best for using a gradient tool. Here you can see I have used gradient tool. So after that I want to go to my gallery and choose one background, and one we have to drop around here. I want to make it as half. Yeah. So after adjusting this, what you have to do is you have to choose a rectangle tool. So this is a tool which you have to use, rectangle tool. So simply you have to select, and you have to choose a color. So for now I'm choosing white because so basically I want to show a difference. That's why I'm using this color. You can use any color. So yeah, so I'm done with this. So now, as I want to show you what all things I have done is I have added a color, added a wallpaper, added a triangle. So now it's time to add a text, then we will go with the photo. So yeah, so moving to Photoshop. So now simply you have to select a photo, and you have to use this text tool to write all the text which you want. So I have already have my reference. So look that one. So I will use my reference. So in this I have used, okay, so friends, now I will write the text by seeing my thumbnail as a reference, how to make professional thumbnail for YouTube channel. So I will write how to make pro. So I want to change that text over here. So so this would be the most appropriate text which I have used it earlier as well. So thumbnail. So see friends, here is text. So for thumbnail I have used another text one. So you can use your creativity. It means you can use anything you want. So simply I am using, I don't know what text I used earlier, but this would be the best one. So I have to choose this. After that I will use this selection tool and I will choose a color black. So friends, now I will choose this as well and I will turn it into black. So yeah, simply we have to go here. If you are done, okay. So you can even choose the size as well. So I want to keep it a little bit bigger. Keep it and make it look like more professional. So you have to adjust accordingly. So here I did this. So to make it more catchier, I will use this tool, rounded rectangular tool. So you have to select this whole bunch and you have to use a color. So of course I'm going to use white because it blends well. So you have to again put it up. So you have to always put the text above if it is not visible. And yeah, I'm done with the first thing. So now I will add my second text, easy and simple steps to make thumbnail. So now I will use my text tool again. I want to change the color of text so that it should be visible. Now it's visible. Use the move tool. Yeah. Now I can use this. How? I'm forgetting the things, guys. I'm forgetting the things. So I have to use easy and simple steps to make them. Done. So friends, I'm done with my text part. So now going into some technical stuffs. So this thing you can do it very easily. I have shown you this all steps. You can use the all the tools which I have used. It is very easily you can do it. So now we are going into some technical stuff. So for that you have to use a picture which I want to paste over here. So this is a picture. I'm going to drag and drop it. Photoshop. Sorry friends, I have to use a picture, so I have to drag and drop in Photoshop. So now in this technical stuff, you have to choose a picture and drop in this background. So you have to select the background, you have to go to the picture. So yeah, you have to just drop over here. So here, sorry, up to make it visible, keep it visible. And now I will use a tool which is a pen tool. So yeah, using pen tool you have to select, so you can zoom it out and let's do it very quickly, guys. So फ्रेंड, तो मैं आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने कर लिया है सेलेक्ट। उसके बाद आपको सिंपली जैसा आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने ये जैसा सिलेक्शन कर लिया है, जैसे ये पूरा ब्लू पेन दिखा रहा है, एज यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज टोटली ब्लू। So this is a sign that your selection is perfect. So in this step what you have to do is you have to simply press Control Enter. You can see there is a kind of selection which is moving. So after that you have to use this layer mask. You are done. Now you came over here to the background. So see friends, this is the thing you want to do, and I have done this perfectly. So you can even like adjust all these things as well. So now I want to adjust myself by taking yeah, this looks perfect. So now I want to add some more what you can say filters. In this what you have to do is I have to go to blend option. So I want to add a stroke. So yeah, I have to click over here. You can use any color you want. So I want white. This looks perfect for me. You can use the size bigger, brighter, or small. So I want to keep it as small as possible. Fibers. So it looks good for me, and you have to also choose the posture. Always keep it outside because it looks fabulous, fantastic. So let me press OK, and you are done with this thumbnail. So I hope you like my video. This is the simplest way you can make your own thumbnail. So I taught you how you can make this. So I want to repeat this again for your conclusion part. So what you have to do is, first thing is you have to open your Photoshop. You have to take a page, then take a what you could say. You have to take a size of the page, particular size of the page. For 1080 into 720 is the best size of page which you can take. Then after you can first you add a color. Then add, if you want to add a single color, keep a single color, you can do this as well. That is pretty simple. I want to do it pretty simple. So for this I want to keep it a little fancy and a little what you can say catchy thumbnail. So what I does is I have chosen color, then I have also added a background in this wallpaper. then I had a, what you can say, a stroke which make a difference, what you can say, which make a difference between the wallpaper and the color. So I generally want to do this to create a difference. And after that, the next step is I added what do you say, text. Then to make it more catchy, I add a tool and add a color to make it more to make it look good. And after that, I also added another tool, what do you say, text. Then I did the same thing as well. Using text tool, you can choose any color, any style of text, size, shape, and color, of course. After that, what I did is I chose a photo. After the choosing a photo, I just use this pen tool. Using this pen tool, I selected my background, and after that, I have just simply use control enter and use this which tool. Mm, yeah, this tool. I use this tool, and as you can see, so after that I can easily shift to my background, and by using move tool I placed over here, and by clicking right I got blending option. Then I add a stroke to my photo, which looks absolutely pretty and fine. So this is it, guys. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to uh, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit up the bell icon as well to get latest update of my uh, videos. So thank you for watching, guys.